Hey guys, Kids Nanny here. This is my main kitchen workspace. It's very small, but I manage. This is where I store my rice and my raw chamomile buds and wheat and barley, oats. What else have I got there? Some dehydrated peanut butter, and various kinds of dry beans and stuff that I cook with. So anyway, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make what I call blizzard butter. And the reason I call it blizzard butter is because even though we are in Tennessee in the south, it is still the mountains and we do get snow here. And a couple of weeks ago, we had ourselves over a foot, so nobody could get to the store. And I was really glad that I had about 40 or 50 cans of Nestle table cream on hand because for about a week we couldn't get out and we were low on butter. So all I had to do was make this. Table cream is a largely Hispanic product. It is found in either the Hispanic aisle of your grocery store or the international foods aisle. It's a regular everyday condiment for many Hispanic families, and it is absolutely delicious, though it is not sweetened. It is thickened cream. And that is what just makes this so incredibly easy. Okay, so let's get cracking. Get these cans opened up and into the mixing bowl. And I don't know if you can see, it is kind of like a taupe color, which of course means your butter will be that color, but the taste is the same, so the color really doesn't matter much to us. Gonna dig this out with a rubber spatula and then get to the other jar. And then we'll get it mixed up. I have tried doing this in a blender. It did not work. All it did was become like, I don't know, a very liquidy sort of heavy cream looking stuff, and I could never reconstitute it. I mean, I could never get it back up to its creamy thickness once it was in the blender. For whatever reason, it works great in here. So I'm going to add just a tiny dash of sea salt, literally like just a couple of pinches. It doesn't need much. And then we throw this on. You can see how it's like already coming to a trace, which means I can trace shapes and forms in it, and it kind of clings to the beaters. And that's literally it. I mean, it is embarrassingly simple to do. And of course, I was able to get these cans of table cream at a salvage store for, I don't know, probably 5 cents a can. So I bought all they had to keep on hand for times when the weather was bad and I can't get out to the store, so I can make my own butter. I do make my own butter from fresh cream too, but this is just kind of what we use in emergencies. And it will have a very light and creamy texture. As I said before, it will also have kind of a taupish color, but it works just the same as any other butter I've used. I've used it in bread baking, biscuits. I've spread it on bread and used it in multiple recipes already, and it works the same. It measures the same. It will firm up once you put it in the refrigerator. Let me see if I can show you here. It is quite thick, but also quite soft. Once you put it into a glass jar, which is what I recommend, perhaps a half-pint jar or a pint jar, keep it in the refrigerator. It will firm up, but the good thing about that is it will stay at a spreadable texture. So that's another reason why I really like this butter, especially like on my morning toast with some of my vegan honey. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope this helps you out. WinKids Nanny signing off. Bye.